Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a Sharkicorn. Now, a Sharkicorn is basically just a fun-looking shark with a unicorn horn on it. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin right here on our paper, and we're going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's going to go up like this. So starting here, you just want to make a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's going to go up like that. Now, I'm going to take this line and I'm going to draw it down to right about here. So I'm going to take this line and I'm just going to draw down to right about there. Now, right here, I want to put the little fin on the shark, or the little flipper, whatever you want to call it. So I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes down, and then it's just going to curve back up here like this, kind of like a curved V. Now, I want to take this line and I'm going to draw it right up to here. So I'm just going to bring this up to here, and then as I get really close, I'm just going to kind of round it off to make a little bump. Now, right here, I want to put another one of these little flippers. So I'm just going to draw a little one that just kind of goes down and then up like this. Now, right here, we want to make the tail. So I'm going to start here at the very top of this, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out, and it's going to go up like this. And then I'm just going to curve this back down to here. So I'm just going to draw this right back down to here. Then I'm going to do the same thing over here. Draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and goes out a little bit farther, like a little S. And then just how we did here, we're just going to curve it right down to here. Now, up here, we want to put that famous little shark fin. So I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then it's just going to come down to there. Now, I want to make a little line that just kind of goes down here, just so we can see a little bit of different color in our shark. So starting right up here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down right to the little flipper. And then I'm just going to take it and I'm just going to curve it right up here. Now, right here, I'm going to add the eye of the shark, excuse me. Now, to make the eye, you just want to make a nice big circle shape. And then at the top, you want to add a little circle, and then at the bottom, you want to add a little circle. Then you can just color in everything except those two little circles. That way you have kind of like a cute little eye. Now, right here, we want to make a little happy mouth for our unicorn shark, or our Sharkicorn. So I'm just going to draw a little line that kind of curves up like this. And then I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of goes down, and then it's going to curve up to here. And then at the bottom, I'm going to add a little curved line for a smiley face. And then if you want to, if you have room, you can add a couple little lines in here for some little sharp teeth. And then you can just color it in. But if you don't want to add those teeth, you definitely do not have to. Now, right here, I'm going to add the gills. So I'm going to add a couple little curved lines for some gills. And then right up here, we want to make that horn for our unicorn. So the horn's really easy. Just draw a line that just kind of goes up, and then it's just going to come back down. Make sure that it's pointy at the top and wider down here. And then just add a few curved lines that are kind of at a diagonal line. Then I'm going to add two little dots up here for the nose of our Sharkicorn. And then back here, I want to add some little lines on the tail to kind of make it like a rainbow tail. So I'm just going to draw a couple little lines that are just going to kind of curve up towards the top. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here, just to make a couple little lines. Now, right here at the end, I'm going to just add a little line that's just going to kind of curve across like this. And then I want to add like a little scale pattern back here to make it kind of look like a mermaid. So to do that, you just want to make some big bumps like this. And then I'm going to start here and I'm going to just draw on the top of each of these bumps, kind of like I'm jumping across the top of each one. And then this just kind of makes a little scale pattern back here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little cute cartoon Sharkicorn. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.